Hi there. It's Monday the 13th and I know that the publishing is going to be tomorrow. I can't edit it today because I've been sitting at my desk editing a video shoot from last Thursday that I had. I made two 30-minute talk show videos with 3 cameras, wireless mics, several lights, and I did it all by myself as a one-man crew. And it's cost efficient and it can be done. Of course, it's very stressful when you have 3 different cameras to look after. Of course, 2 of them has to be cold ones and then you behind one. And during the shooting, of course, you need to go and check out the other cameras that work. But with the, what do you call the LCD screen that turns around, it can be turned so that you can see it from the one camera, so you see that everything is okay in the camera. Of course, the biggest problem is sometimes when if there's the talker that moves a lot, then it might be a little hard to do. But on this occasion, they both were standing behind a desk, so it was quite easy to frame the shots without being behind the camera. But that actually is not my topic today. But my topic is my broken iPhone X, which I'm really a little bit pissed off. I did not break it. I got it in the end of June, and the reason I got it was that it has a magnificent camera. My old iPhone 6 is, as a phone, okay, all the apps work and everything like that. But the problem is that the camera is out of dated, but and it only has one camera, so it's not, it can't use the depth of field effect or the bokeh effect like the iPhone X has. I just love the new technology on the iPhone with the dual cameras and all the things that it can do. And of course, when you can switch it from wide angle to telelens, it's great. But I would show the phone, but it's in the repair shop. And the first time it broke was, I think it was 3 weeks after I got it, and this is what it did. Well, the screen was going bizarre and it was making phone calls in my pocket for some reason, and that was annoying, so I took it repaired. And it was okay for 2 weeks, and then happened this. And I don't know if the quality in Apple phones or the iPhone has gone down or what happened. I don't know. If you have had any problems, please tell me in the comments that if you have had any problems. And the good thing is that I got a very good service in Mobilife company. I think it's multinational. I think they got something in Britain and Sweden and of course here in Helsinki too. And they've handled it very well. And you can track it online and see where it's going and what's happening, and then it just works fine. Of course, it takes a week, and you would want to I would really want to use it, but this is what happened, and nothing I can do about it. I hope it's the third screen module that they're putting in is going to work this time, so that I don't have to take it back, or then I think they should change or give me a totally new phone. But we'll see what happens. I keep you updated when I get it back. I just left it today in the morning before I started editing, so let's see. The last time it took about a week, and let's see how long it takes now. But hey, thanks for watching, and this was about me and photography, and I try to make these quite frequently, not every day, but several times a week. But let's see how frequently I can do this. But thanks for watching, and bye for now.